Want to use your PlayStation controller with your iPhone or iPad? Whether you're playing Apple Arcade or streaming games, connecting your DualShock 4 or DualSense is quick and simple. Let's set it up in just a few easy steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap Bluetooth and make sure it's turned on. Your device will now start searching for available devices. Now grab your DualShock 4 controller. Press and hold the PS button and the share button at the same time for about 5 seconds. The light bar should start flashing, which means it's in pairing mode. Back on your iPhone or iPad, look for DualShock 4 wireless controller in the Bluetooth list. Tap on it to connect. Once connected, the light on your controller will turn solid and you're ready to game. Your DualShock 4 is now connected. Open your favorite game and enjoy a console-like experience on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials.